Okay, we're going to look at this example of function notation. It reads, the function a described by a of r equals 4 times pi times r squared. This gives the surface area of a sphere with radius r. Find the surface area when the radius is 5 inches. Okay, so if you're not familiar with this notation, this a of r right here, a of r, and that's how we read it. A and then the word of r. A is the name of the function, just the way that they described it. And r is going to be the input. So this is the input. Okay? And a of r is the output. So you're going to calculate an output to go with the input r. And so the function gives you the formula for the output. So it says a of r is 4 times pi times r squared. Okay, and so for our example, it says find the surface area when the radius is 5 inches. So that means that for our example, r is equal to 5. So what you want to do is substitute 5 where the r is. Okay, so it's a of 5 is equal to 4 times pi times 5 squared. Okay, see how we took the 5 and just substituted it in where the r was. Okay, so now is an order of operations problem, right? So we're going to do the squaring first. So you have to square 5 first, so that's 25. So that's 4 times pi times 25, because 5 squared is 25. And then you're going to multiply, and notice how all three of these are being multiplied together. Okay, so you know that multiplication can be done in any order. So multiply the 4 and the 25 together first, and so that's going to be 100. And so then this is 100 pi. And we're in what, inches? R is in inches, so area is in square inches. That's your unit. If so you want to see how do they want you to leave your answer, and if they the answer for this problem in your homework was they wanted you to leave it in terms of pi, so they wanted you to stop here. But if they don't want you to stop there, then just you would continue. Your next step would be to substitute in a value of pi, the 3.14 or 22/7, depending on what's being asked of you, okay? But for our homework, we wanted to stop right here. So I hope this helps.